So in today's video, I'm gonna be well, as you read by the title of the video, I'm gonna be adding how much is too much to slime. This is not the slime I'm using. This is just the thumbnail slime that I'm using, which is really gross. Was I was like, no, thank you. But anyways, I have this really gross slime that I do not like. Not even. It's really bad. It's really bad. It's really bad. Anyways, really bad. I do not like it at all. It's just like one of the colors that are just like, ew. Why would I trade you that for like 100 billion million slimes that I can really just trade with other people? But no, thank you. Bye. This is the slime I'm going to be fixing, but I'm also going to try to make it ginormous. Okay, not as big as I said, but yeah, you get it. I think I'm going to make like a actually, I'm going to keep it a surprise for you guys because I do not want you guys to know. YouTube. Oh, wow. Let's close you up. Just kidding, he does not stink. The only thing that stinks are the pink slimes. Like, thank you very much. No one wants you. Okay, so we have this slime right here that we're supposed to make ginormous and add how much is too much to slime. So I think I have an idea. Okay, let's just start the challenge because I just want to start. Okay, so we have this cup. We have this white glue, so we're gonna pour in some white glue. I have to clean because my room is not a mess, but it is pretty messy. Come out, wherever you are. Okay, there you go. I think that's enough. Okay, you're just really dripping a lot. Okay, so this is the color that we have, but I have a surprise, so you guys can't know what it is yet. Not yet. Okay, just not. Please don't be mad that I'm not sure. So I have some glue and I have some green. I'm gonna mix it. It does. You do need to be a little lighter though, bro. Please. Okay, where is the white? I remember when. I remember when. Okay, I found it. Because it's way too dark and it's a really bright green. Like really dark though. So we're gonna mix. That looks like a toothpaste color to me. If you ask me, that looks more like a toothpaste color. Yeah, we need more green. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, we can maybe add a little less next time. That was just too much. But it's okay, right? Yeah, that's totally fine. Guys, does that look green? That does not look green. That looks teal. Sorry. Yeah, that just does not look okay, but that's okay, right? Yeah. We can add some of this green to the actual slime. Actually, let's do how much is too much in the next video. Okay, so now we don't have to add like too much of a greenish color. You might be like wondering, what in the world are you making, Doll? I'll have to tell you now, it's like Christmas season, so that's like your only hit. It's Christmas themed, okay? Yeah. We're gonna add a little bit more of this clear glue because I don't want it to be too sticky. Okay. I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough for you. Okay, we're gonna mix it. And I think that's a good color for you. For now, yeah, for now, just for now. Okay, we're gonna dump you in there and we're just gonna start mixing you in the color. Green, whoa, that's a lot of, okay. Hashtag turquoise, hashtag, okay, just whatever you want to call it, but it's not really like a green. It does have a little green to it. On the camera, it doesn't really. It just has more of a turquoise to the color. Almost said to the color. Anyways, the color is okay though. Look at it. Whoa, I do not want to drop you. Yeah, that just looks like toothpaste, doesn't it? But in real life, it does not really look like it's toothpaste that much, but it's also not the actual color that we were planning, but that's okay, right? Yeah. Okay, it's coming together. I just do not want my hands to be that green, which I already got some green on me. Okay, I think I got a nice color. Yeah, I think that's a nice color. And I think we got most of the color, like it's already like mixed in. Okay. Getting it out with this little thing. Oh, it's slime. Aw. 7 minutes and 49 and I can't see. 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't even know what I said, but oh, look at this nice green. This is a really nice green. And the camera looks teal. Oh my gosh. I'm not really liking how the color in the camera is fake, but in real life it's actually like real. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this clear glue to you because you do need a little more. Come in. You're almost out. Yep, he pooped. There you go. Okay, here. There you go. Okay, we have the color. You do not know what I'm making yet. You should not. Okay, please don't. Don't. You can guess, but please don't. I just can't tell you, okay? It's a surprise. Just please do not. Please do not ask because it's going to be a surprise. And I think it's going to be pretty good. Well, what my head is thinking of right now. Okay, softener. Okay, 3 drops of softener. Thank you very much. To make you softer. Ooh, he's melting. Okay, you're like really, really sticky, so we're gonna put you inside of there. And we're gonna need you in there. And I think you'll be good. hopefully it's not melted. Ooh, that is kind of melted. Let's see. Ew, this was turning out so good. The worst slime in the whole history. Just kidding. I have my handy dandy clay here for you won't be ruined, of course. And it's really like nice. I like the color, but like it's also not like it does not stretch as well as you might think. Okay, there. It's getting better. I think it's pretty good now. There's a little bit of like 2 medium chunks to it, but that's fine because it's gonna melt inside of the slime because of me kneading it. What was I gonna say? Oh, this slime looks like toothpaste in the camera. Really, I'm not liking it, but in real life, yes, I am. Ooh, just came flying. Yes, thank you. Now you can go to your parents' house and never come back. Thank you. Sorry. I don't know about that. How do you guys like the slime? It almost melted. Okay, next we will be putting these color green foam beads, and I know this is like really bad, but I'm putting some food coloring inside of them just because I need more coloring to the slime anyway, so that's okay, right? Okay, there you got it. I know it looks like really bad, but that's okay. Because I want it to be a dark green as well. That's also why. But I think the colors are, yeah, it's just going to come off. That's okay. Because, oh no, but these can be light. And the rest, I'm going to let them dry and then they'll be dark. Because if you let them dry, they are not going to take their color off of them. Oh, the screen is so nice though. Yeah, okay. Anyways, as I said, I'm going to add these green foam beads. I know, like, why don't I just add some white foam beads too? Yeah, let's add some of these white ones. Okay, 2 different combined green and white. Okay, next, where is the green? Oh, I put it back in here. Sorry. Okay, that I put a little more than I did in the first time because I did add a little more. I'm adding mixed colors. So if you guys want to see how the slime looks, you guys just have to like and subscribe and go and check out part 2. So see you guys.